Hello everyone. Welcome to the BoldSign signature tutorial. Today, I will show you the process of sending signature requests via SMS using BoldSign. BoldSign allows senders to request signatures through SMS, saving time and streamlining workflow. It works by sending a text message to the person you need a signature from with a link to the document they need to sign. This ensures they are notified quickly and can conveniently sign the document on their phone. Even if someone doesn't have a BoldSign account, they can still sign the documents sent by text. This feature is convenient when you need to collect signatures remotely. Remember though, that this feature is only available if you have an active paid subscription to BoldSign. Each text message you send will cost 20 cents, and you'll be charged for it at the end of your billing cycle. It's essential to get consent from the person you're sending the signature request to before you do it via text, to ensure they are okay with it. Additionally, group signers are not supported in the SMS delivery mode. The SMS notification is controlled by the BoldSign SMS service and cannot be customized by the sender. Any small business owner or freelancer who needs to collect signatures quickly and remotely can benefit from using BoldSign's SMS feature. Let's consider a realtor who needs to promptly obtain the signature of a rental agreement from the renter. In this scenario, the realtor can utilize BoldSign's SMS feature to streamline the process and ensure efficient document signing. Let me demonstrate how to do that in detail. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. Here I click the Create New button. I choose Create New Document, which takes me to the Prepare Document page. I upload the rental agreement form from my computer by clicking the Browse button. Now when adding the recipient's information, I'll move to the Add Recipient section. Here I need to use the SMS delivery option. To do this, I click the Delivery option drop-down. The email delivery option is enabled as the default method. If you haven't activated the SMS feature, there will be an option to activate it near the SMS delivery mode. Having activated the SMS feature, I enable the SMS delivery option. This allows me to enter the renter's name and phone number. I enter the renter's name in the name field. In the phone number field, I select the correct country code of the renter by clicking the country code drop-down menu. I then enter the renter's number in the designated field. Invalid or incomplete phone numbers are not accepted, and an error notification will be displayed. Next, I can add a layer of security to the signing process by clicking the Settings drop-down and enabling the Authentication option. This displays the available authentication methods. The email OTP is disabled since it cannot be used to sign documents sent via SMS delivery mode. In the CC Recipients section, I can only enter the CC recipients' email addresses and not their phone numbers. Therefore, CC recipients will receive only email notifications once the signer with the SMS delivery mode has signed the document. Signers will also receive a document expiry warning via SMS when the specified expiration date in the document settings section approaches. Additionally, signers with the SMS delivery will not receive automatic reminders, but they will receive a manual reminder if sent after the document is created. I click the Next button. This takes me to the Configure Fields page. This is where I will configure the form fields based on my needs. I drag and drop the name and email fields for name and email, respectively. Next, I drag and drop the signature and date signed fields for signature and date. Before sending the document out for signatures, I'll take a moment to review all the changes I've made, ensuring everything is in order. I'll proceed to send it out for signatures. Signers will receive a signature request SMS with a link in the message for reviewing and signing the document. Once signed, they will also receive a signature completion notification via SMS. That summarizes how to send a signature request via SMS in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.